That little band from Liverpool called the Beatles will be releasing a new song, kind of an old song, but a new song powered with AI. The Beatles Final Emotional Ballad, a deep dive into Now and Then, the title of their new old song. In an unexpected turn of events, more than 5 decades after the Beatles disbanded, they are set to release what they're calling their last song, titled Now and Then. This song is based on a 1970s demo by John Lennon, which was recently completed by the remaining members, Sir Paul McCartney, and of course, Sir Ringo Starr. The song, which will premiere on the 2nd of November at 2 o'clock GMT, is more than just a musical composition.